Hello! In this module, we shall learn how to position yourself as an expert. To put yourself as someone big-ticket clients go to, you need to brand yourself as an expert. So how do you do that? Don't worry, I'll tell you how to do it. Firstly, an expert begins in you. Own it. Be confident and shout to the world that you are good at what you do and you can produce the results for your clients. Define your expertise and create an expert intro for yourself. Be bold and clear. For example, Brendan Burchard begins his videos with, "Hey everybody, it's Brendan Burchard, author of Life's Golden Ticket and founder of Experts Academy." A simple and strong intro will give your audience a lasting and good impression, just like what I taught you about personal branding in the previous module. I found that a lot of people I know or coached has this one thing in common when it comes to introducing themselves as experts to others. Most of the time, they are just too afraid to tell the world that they are the best or number one in their expertise. However, my advice is don't be afraid. If you know just a bit more than the others about your expertise, you already are an expert. Own it and be proud to tell others that you are an expert, an authority. No one will go for rookies or people who aren't confident in what they are doing. They go for the expert. Same goes to big-ticket clients, so you must be an expert. To further establish yourself as an expert, always be sure to share your credibility story. You never want to be known as a fake expert with no credibility at all, right? Credibility stories act as a backing for others to put their trust on you, so share it to the world. If you are a fitness coach, you can share your own success stories of transforming your own body from A to Z, providing pictures from day 1 to day 90. You can also share success stories of your clients, how you help them from A to Z. These are your credibility stories. One big way to position yourself as an expert is to just get out, go for public speaking, and share your story. This generates the obvious credibility that comes from having an audience show up and listen to you speak. But on a deeper level, speaking in public elevates your status because so few people are willing to do it. Most are terrified by the idea. So the fact that you're able to get up on stage and deliver puts you on another level. Here's a bonus tip. Feature shots of you speaking on your website and marketing materials as an added authority boost. Next, we must also understand the human psychology to win the game. Notice that the harder it is to get something, the more we value it. It's just human nature. So while you should be available to your audience most of the time, you also shouldn't be too available until others take you for granted. One of the examples is free coaching sessions. This tactic gives the impression that you're begging for business. This tactic is commonly used by non-authority people in hopes of converting a percentage of paying clients from everyone who attends the free session. Trust me, this does not work. Remember that who we are trying to attract are high-paying clients. So do not waste your time attracting those who just waste your time. The true authority, the one people clamor and crazy for, usually only offers free sessions 1 day per week by application and with the use of a waiting list, in order to qualify who are the potential big-ticket clients and who aren't. To become the top-notch expert with raving fans craving for your products and services, you need to be a superstar. Think about it. What is the common thing all superstars you know have in common? They have always appeared on media, whether it's on the radio, television, websites, magazines, blogs, advertisements, anywhere to get your attention. Likewise, we need to think of ourselves as superstars. Get on podcasts, radio, seminars, webinars, blogs, websites, anywhere to get attention from. I totally understand that working with media can be overwhelming, so start small. Email small blogs in your industry. Contact local radio stations or newspapers that serve small markets. Reach out to friends who have contacts in the industry. As you build your portfolio, bigger opportunities will emerge. You become who you associate with on a daily basis. Think about it. If you mingle with friends who are depressed, negative-minded, vulgar, and complain just about everything happening in their lives, no matter how positive a person you are, do you think you can keep that positivity of yours up with such individuals around you for a month, a week, or even a day is enough to drag you down to their level? So I bet that you already get my message. To attain success, associate with success. You can also gain the same respect and status just by associating with the leaders in your industry. If you mingle with superstars, aka authorities, the perception others have of you is that you must also be an authority. Among other things you can do to associate with authorities, you can interview them, write guest posts for them, review their products, work with them, or invite them to speak at your live or digital events. Some dear readers will be kind enough to send unsolicited testimonials. We definitely love those people, but hundreds or maybe even thousands are waiting to lavish praise on you if you would only ask. So, ask. Send an email to your list about the effects your work had on them. Reach out to colleagues asking them to offer and endorse your expertise. Offer free coaching sessions to people willing to be a part of a before and after case study to be featured on your site or blog. These are special proofs that serves as the most powerful expert triggers to attract big-ticket clients. They serve as a credibility you have and make you an authority in the eye of your clients. So instead of waiting for it to fall into your lap, take an active role and gather as many honest and compelling testimonials as you can. With these great tips I've given you, I hope you learn to position yourself as an expert easily. Remember, if others can be expert, you can too. I'll see you in the next module. Till then.